Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about 3 simple signs that your pumping routine is working well. Many mothers wonder whether their routine is effective, and there are a few easy things you can observe. The first sign is consistency. When you pump around similar times each day, your body often becomes more familiar with the routine. Over time, sessions may start feeling smoother and more predictable. The second sign is comfort during sessions. A good routine should feel comfortable and manageable. If your setup, timing, and pump settings feel right for you, daily pumping often becomes much easier. The third sign is better organization and confidence. Many mothers notice that after following a routine for a while, they feel more prepared, less stressed, and more comfortable managing their daily schedule. It is important to remember that every mother is different. Some people adjust quickly, while others may need more time to find a routine that works best for them. Staying hydrated, eating regular meals, and getting rest whenever possible can also help support your overall routine. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Building a routine takes time, and small improvements often lead to bigger results over time. With consistency, comfort, and good daily habits, pumping can become a smooth and manageable part of your routine. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.